Good morning, everyone. First topic is total quality management in industrial management and operations management. Total quality management also represents in the form of TQM, which is the short form of total quality management. And if you talk about total quality management, it is a core strategy for an organization uh, which is described as management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. So there are two facts important. First is customer satisfaction, and since it is a long-term approach, so continuous improvement is the key element of total quality management. In total quality management efforts, all members of organization participates in improving process, product, service, and culture in overall organization. So total quality management can be summarized as a management system for customer focused organization which involves continuous improvement. There are certain principles which one can use to improve total quality management, and these principles are, as you see on the screen, there are 8 principles of total quality management. That means if you want to apply total quality management in your organization, you need to focus on these 8 areas. So first we take principle is known as customer focus. See, the customer ultimately determines the level of quality, and no matter what an organization does to foster quality improvement by training their employees, by integrating quality into design process, by upgrading their information technology. So these are the efforts an organization take to improve their quality so that they can focus on customers preference or customers choice. Second principle is total employee involvement. So employee involvement is the key when it comes to total quality management, because in total quality management the philosophy work, that is everyone or every employee is treated as owner of the institute. So all the employee participates in working towards common goal. Total employee commitment can be obtained when management has provided a proper environment for high performance work system for their continuous improvement in work and business operations. So for that matter, self-managed work team can be a good tool when it comes to uh, involve employee in decision making process. Third principle is called process center. So the fundamental part of total quality management process is based on thinking and planning. A process is a series of steps that take inputs and transform them into output and deliver it to the customers. The steps required to carry out this process are defined, and performance measures are continuously monitored in order to detect any unexpected variation. So this is the overall process, and this process need to be continuously improved when it comes to total quality management application. Fourth principle is integrated system. Although an organization may consist of different functional specialty, often organized vertically and the horizontally, so an integrated system does what it connects business improvement element and to attempt it the continuous improvement in overall process of business, so that expectation of employees as well as customers and all the stakeholders can be met effectively. Next principle is strategic and system approach. So a critical part of management is quality, and it is a it should be a systematic and strategic approach in your organization's vision, mission, and goals. This process is called strategic planning or strategic management, which includes formulation of a strategic plan, and a, that plan should integrates quality as a core component of the organizational strategy. Next principle is fact-based decision making. See, in order to know how well organization is performing, data on performance measurement are necessary, and total quality management, that an organization continuously collect and analyze data in order to improve day-to-day processes and the business decision making. So fact-based decision making is based on continuous collection of data and continuous analysis and uh, decision making on the basis of that data. Next, and the next principle is called communication. So what is communication? Does communication creates a transparency in the business organization? Every decision making need to be communicated to all overall the organization, and create a proper through a proper communication channel, so that there is no, yes, let me share you the screen. Sorry for the interruption. And the last principle of total quality management is continuous improvement. So at large aspect of total quality management, continuous improvement is one of the most important aspect, and continuous improvement drives an organization both analytically and creative in finding ways to become more competitive and more effective in the competitive scenario of the organizations. So these are the elements which are considered so essential when it comes to total quality management. Thank you.